Hi everyone, today, we're going to take a look at the 5 best campfire cooking tripods for delicious meals on the market for this year. First, we're going to show you our 5 best picks, then we'll talk about what you should look for before buying a best campfire cooking tripods for delicious meals. You can find timestamps and links to all the products we mentioned in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. Do you love the smoky flavor of the food cooked over a campfire? If so, picking a campfire cooking tripod is a must. But picking the best ones from a wide range of products in the market isn't so easy. To help you make the best choice, we have outlined the top 6 campfire cooking tripods in the market. As usual, we went through the details of each product to compare its performance against the competitors. As our top pick, we have the Stansport cast iron camping tripod with a heavy-duty steel structure and a nickel-plated adjustable chain. With a leg length of 43.3 inches and excellent stability, it offers the right support for heavy cooking pots. It's easy to set up, and at an affordable price, you get an excellent cost-performance ratio. Number 1. Stansport Cooking Tripod. Stansport is one of the most renowned brands for camping gear and accessories, so it doesn't come as a surprise that our best choice comes from the brand. This cast iron camping tripod for outdoor campfire cooking is built to last and is sturdy enough to hold Dutch ovens, as well as cast iron coffee or teapots. An essential accessory for your outdoor kitchen, the tripod boasts a stable design and outstanding balance on all kinds of terrains. Setup is a breeze, too, while the sturdy steel construction gives you all the confidence to hang heavy cookware. Not only the durable cast iron poles will withstand the test of time, but the nickel-plated chain with S-hook is also built to last. Weighing only 13 pounds and foldable, the tripod is also easy to pack and carry. No doubt, all that you need for seamless over-the-fire cooking for yourself, your friends, or the extended family. Key features: nickel-plated S-hook, durable chain, 3-legged design, compact folding for storage and transport, versatile application. Number 2. Lodge 5 TP2 Tallboy Cooking Tripod. The Lodge 5 TP2 Tallboy tripod might look flimsy at first glance, but the truth is that it can serve you well for a long time. It's not made of iron as our top pick, yet it still boasts an all-steel construction that resists elements as well as high temperatures. The powder coating on the legs doesn't peel or crack due to exposure to fire, so you can use it seamlessly without worrying about durability. It comes in multiple variants, including a shorter 45-inch one, a 60-inch tripod, as well as a height-adjustable one. For the purpose of this review, we tested the 60-inch tallboy that really stands tall and mighty. Ideal to use as a slow cooker, this model comes with a 36-inch chain designed to keep the cookware at just the right height. The chain is adjustable, so you can easily lower or raise the Dutch oven for various cooking needs. It doesn't come with an S-hook at the end of the chain, but that's not truly a problem, as you can easily find them in most camping or homeware shops. Slightly more expensive than similar tripods, but built to last, it will surely serve you well season after season. Key features: 3 sizes, durable galvanized chain, all-steel construction, high-temp black finish, stable for outdoor cooking. Coleman Tripod Grill. Coleman has always known how to stand out from the crowd, managing to add innovation to even the simplest things. Thus, you shouldn't be too surprised by this multifunctional tripod grill and lantern hanger that can be used to cook food, hold your items, and even light up the campsite. Designed to feed larger crowds, Coleman Tripod Grill and Lantern Hanger comes with heavy-duty, galvanized steel legs and a 17-inch diameter grill grate. An adjustable chain allows you to move the grate closer or farther from the fire so that you can achieve the level of cooking desired. Obviously, the grate is large enough to hold up to 12 burgers at a time, and also offers you the perfect place for grilling juicy steaks and vegetables. When the cooking's over, simply clean the grate and legs, and turn the tripod into a nice outdoor lantern. Once cleaned, the grate can double as an ad hoc table, too, so you don't need to bring a folding table, proving that you can truly use this piece of gear in endless ways. Before heading back home, simply operate the convenient shock cord to collapse the legs, for super easy transport and storage. The tripod only weighs 5 pounds, so it's an excellent choice for car camping and backpacking alike. Key features: heavy-duty galvanized steel construction, 17-inch diameter grill grate, suitable for Dutch ovens, multiple uses, collapsible legs for easy portability, lightweight and easy to carry. Solo Stove Tripod. Perhaps the first thing you'll learn on your first backpacking trip is that the weight of your gear can really make a difference between a pleasant trip and a daunting one. But you don't have to give up the pleasures of over-the-fire cooking just because you love to hike. All you need is lightweight equipment, and this Solo Stove aluminum tripod fits seamlessly into the lightweight camping gear category. It doesn't come as a surprise that aluminum is indeed lighter than cast iron or steel. What impresses is the durability of a product that weighs under 1.5 pounds. At only 19 ounces, this tripod can seamlessly hold heavier Dutch ovens and pots, providing you with all-round backpacking experience. Besides the sturdy frame and telescopic legs, the tripod also comes with a convenient, length-adjustable chain with S-hook. Hanging cookware over the fire is a breeze, and you can even replace the provided chain with one with a grill grate, should you want to. To enhance your outdoor cooking experience even more, you can even invest in a set of Solo Stove pots designed specifically to be used with this tripod. All in all, an excellent choice for hikers, backpackers, as well as car campers. And to have a nice cold drink with your meal, make sure to check out our list of the best coolers for camping as well. Key features: ultra-lightweight aluminum construction, adjustable hang chain with hook included, impressive stability, collapsible legs for easy transport, compatible with a range of Solo Stove outdoor cooking pots. Coleman's Tripod Grill. If you like the tripod grill and lantern hanger idea, another noteworthy model comes from Coleman's. Similar to the models above, this tripod grill and lantern hanger is easy to set up over the campfire and features a 17-inch grill that offers enough space for loads of burgers and sausages. It's an excellent choice for backyard fun or camping with a larger gang. When cooking's over, you can use it for hanging a camping lantern, just as you would with the Coleman. In terms of construction and quality, the tripod is made from heavy-duty, galvanized steel and comes with shock-corded legs that collapse flat for easier storage and transport. Despite its steel construction, the unit is very lightweight. It only adds 1 pound of a burden to your camping gear, a feature that also makes it perfect for backpacking. Obviously, steel is stronger than aluminum, so you can expect it to withstand loads up to 30 pounds. The removable chain gives you the possibility to use it with the included grill grate, a Dutch oven, or percolator. No doubt, a versatile item to add to your outdoor kitchen. Key features: durable stainless steel construction, collapsible legs, lightweight and easy to transport, 30 pounds load capacity, chromed finish enhances aesthetics, easy to clean and maintain. How to choose the best campfire cooking tripods. In reality, campfire cooking tripods are simple items and you don't need much technical expertise to choose one. The best cooking tripod is the one that suits your purpose and falls within your budget. Even so, there are a few points that you need to keep in mind to separate the best model from the average one. Let's take a look at some of the important ones. The material. The material that the tripod is made from will determine its durability and performance. The common options are cast or forged iron, steel, and aluminum. Among these, cast iron is best when it comes to ruggedness and durability. Cast iron units are long-lasting and heat-resistant. But cast iron isn't weather-resistant and it's also on the heavier side. Steel offers the best balance between weight and durability. High-carbon steel is resistant to weather and heat. Aluminum is lightweight but it's not as durable as steel tripods. Keep in mind, the quality of the chain is also important. Steel chains with a coating to make them heat-resistant are a good option. Chains with welded links are more durable than their press-fit counterparts. Size. When we talk about the size of a tripod, the main consideration is height. Ideally, a tripod should be around 50 inches in height. With an adjustable chain, this is good enough to cook in low as well as high heat. The chain will allow you to set the height of the cooking pot as needed. If you plan to cook at high temperatures and don't mind the pot coming in contact with the fire, shorter lengths are good too. Shorter lengths will also ensure that the tripod is lighter in weight. Note, once you spread apart the 3 legs, the overall height will come down. For example, a 50-inch tripod may come down to 46 inches once it's set up. Portability. Most campfire cooking tripods don't offer the best portability. Still, tripods with collapsible legs are a better option as they are more compact in size. But with better durability and longer length, the average tripod will weigh close to 10 pounds. If you don't plan to use heavy pots, you can look for tripods with hollow legs that are less durable but lighter. Ease of use. Using a tripod that's complicated to set up can be a frustrating experience. Choose a simple unit that is easy to assemble and break down. That delivers a better user experience and makes it easy to store the tripod away when packing up.